I know some of you will be wondering, Boomsy, 2 market vlog in a month. Oh yes, I love you guys too much. Hey guys, Errol, the God that sees me is smiling, baby. Errol. Hey guys, are you not blessed? 2 market vlogs in the month. But I am here with Chacha Baby. You guys know that Chacha Baby is the best caterer in Lagos. Chacha Baby doesn't just style hair, she styles food. She gives food orgasm. If you eat Chacha Baby's food, you have food orgasm. So she's cooking, and we just came to shop for a few things. But regardless, I have a lot of provisions that I need to buy that is heading out for some people. So I'm in the market, and you guys are getting 2 market vlogs in this month. Let us go and shop. Cha-cha-lee coco. Woo!
Error!
You guys, today I'm the one that is doing Chacha Baby video. I've told Chacha Baby that to boost her page, let her take people along so they will know how she came here, shop for things to buy and all. But anyways, let's be heading into the market. This is an unofficial market vlog, but come with me, let's go shop for some provisions. You guys, can you see how excited I was going into this market? My excitement was short-lived because you will get to find out. Just stay tuned to the end of this vlog. You will get to find out how my excitement was short-lived. Oh God, I don't know what is happening to me, but you should pray for me in the comment section. I was hailing my customer where I buy those outfits, in fact those gowns that I use for knockabout and stay at home. But yeah, this is us just entering into the market. You guys, walking into the market right now. Woo! Plantain is some serious gold though. Oh yes, plantain is gold. This bunch, she's telling me 15,000 naira for just one bunch of plantain. I could not even believe it. This one, she said 7,000 naira last, and I'm like, what? Hey, I just thought, so maybe let's just be going. I'd rather buy plantain chips. Who remembers when I went to Port Harcourt and I was buying plantain, but I was seeing plantain everywhere like plantain was nothing. But anyways, if plantain is cheaper in your area right now, it's time to make money. You find a way to export these things to Lagos and you make a lot of money. See my love, don't they pose, oh? My love always with me. Come rain, come sunshine. My love, say lovey, they do like this. Okay, it's time to head into Orica Market. Myself and Chacha Baby knew that we're not going to spend time in this market, so we splitted ourselves in twos to start heading into the market. She was mostly going to be buying tomatoes, vegetables, and just a lot of... Remember my lady that sells African snacks? Oh yes, I stopped by her shop to buy a lot of things. I bought I think plantain chips and all of that. So this is me just negotiating with her. I bought plantain chips and a pack was about 3,500 naira, and I also bought chin chin as well.
You say I don't want a labaru.
My husband would say, hey baby, you have too many friends. Everybody is your love, my friend, my this, my... I can't help it. But this is me just pricing and checking out for the best ones. yeah, they do for me. How much? 100 and 1,000. I said it won't be.
You see this POS guy, Port Harcourt Jam Lagos, he thought he could scam me. No way. After transferring him the money, he told me let him go to the bank to go and withdraw the money from me. We went to the bank, he withdrew 20,000 and said let him go inside the bank and go and get the complete money. That's when I heard the story. I said, oh boy, transfer my 100K back to my phone immediately. Hey, I don't know, say I be Port Harcourt girl. I love say I should post her number again that she's smart at this time. Oh yeah, call your number.
091.
Okay.
31.
Okay.
27.
Okay.
88.
Okay.
94.
94. At this point, I just continued shopping and shopping. You guys, I bought this roll of tissue for 9,500. I came to my lady today that sells my cleaning items, and she had a lot of cleaning items to sell for me. I bought Morning Fresh, I bought Fleet, I bought so many things. Viva, you guys know. I bought Viva, just so many things that I bought today, and this is her just going to bring the remaining things. You guys, I also came to my guy where I buy my body sprays from, and I bought from him as well. This is my love and her sisters just helping us package all our things that we have bought to be able to take it to the car. And then in this place, see hot corn. Hey, see this hot corn. A piece was going for about 400 naira, and me and Chacha baby, we stopped to buy. I mean, this is Lagos. Enjoy yourself in the Eco City with Pierre as well. We were done at this point and we're just heading to the car park, and of course, we'll see you. Now me want buy mineral for. That's so. Chacha, okay, now you're planted. 10,000. Oh, make it tell you how many customers where I don't bring come inside. Today na Chacha will see you the 5. But see your brother say why they video you. You don't never tell him.
This one Lamala now.
You never tell him.
Lamala.
Down. Chacha is hailing Wasiu. Wasiu, where my coke? Wasiu buy me more till now. Up Wasiu! Shut down. Wasiu! Correct Wasiu! Today we don't quarrel because I know they buy meat. He say Wasiu buy a coke for free.
Wasiu weak me. So Wasiu, this coke you buy for me now, I need
nothing
to pay.
goes for nothing. Nothing goes.
I don't want this too, Wasiu.
Too tough.
I don't want to.
You don't want the two. Put that man.
Let's see the measurement.
Put the two. Now the two where she wants. The 225.
48. How much?
The 225. Now what she wants?
I let Billy know here. I'm sorry, Grandpa. Nobody let Billy know Billy. Who said that? I say Malachi.
He don't start.
I don't Malachi said that. Say why my guys? I'm glad. 2005. 25. I'll give you
Why you dey quarrel your brother? Wait, so I go bring meat come for you.
waiting me so much. I may get the meat now.
You know sharp like Wasiu.
That's
Like Wasiu don't go bring coke now. Don't they charge us 25,000?
Oh, I don't know 25,000. I don't know.
The next day.
When your chef come? Church baby in the building. Chef Shusher.
The next day.
You guys, I'm sure you people have been waiting for me to tell you how much I bought each item. You people should pray for me. My husband said that I should go to fire altar ground and go and pray. What has been happening to me for the past month has been yeah, so I will smile. Next thing I'm like, what's happening? I will smile again. I'll be like, hey, that's it. Like, what's in this up? You guys, I gingerly came back from the market. You will not believe that I've not had my phone. Even the video that I posted that went on live, the market vlog, I can't respond to anybody. I can't do anything except I have to connect to my laptop and all of that to actually respond, right? but I need my phone to give me access to other things. Let me show you people. See my phone. Blank, in fact, white screen. That's what it's showing. White screen. White screen. I'm using my husband's phone. I'm using my husband's phone for now. I'm using his phone, but I'm going to repair it today because this phone just went blank over the weekend. I came back from the market and I was just trying to manage it, and the next thing I will see it to turn white. So I thought that if I wake up on Sunday morning, all these things will just, I don't know whether water entered, I don't know what it is, but I just thought to myself that if I wake up on Sunday morning, it will stop. But it did not stop. It did not stop. So I've been without my phone. The thing allows me to answer calls, so don't get me wrong. It allows me to answer calls, but I cannot see anything. I can only just swipe. When I see a corner, I have to even say, hello, who is calling me? You know, and then I refer them to my husband to please call me and all of that. But I will go and repair it today. I'm going to work first. Let me just go and finish. I need to get a new ATM card. So many things I need to do. Then I will enter. My husband has called the person that will help me out with fixing the phone. So I will go. And this phone is a new phone. So this is the one I'm using. I'm using my husband's phone. I've just told every important person if I need to use Google Map, because I'll use Google Map to locate where I'm going to. If I've seen all your comments, I've been using his phone to just watch, you know, other people and on. Thank God, at least I even have a means of communication. Thank God I even have a means of communication. But anyways, guys, let me just be going because I don't know, like I told you people. I was reading somebody's comment yesterday. Say, oh, Bomsi, you have been giving us premium content. Only if you know what Bomsi has been going through behind the scene. Hey! Only if you know. My mom gave driver plantain and some other things to bring for me yesterday. The driver was calling my phone. I picked, but I could not call out his number. I could not call out, like write out his number so that I can put it in my husband's phone and he will call the guy. Eventually, my mom had to go JIG back, get the number, call. In fact, I beg. Hey! They say, what doesn't kill you make you stronger. You guys, but anyways, it's fine. It's fine. I'll pull through. Don't worry. I'll be fine. These are small potatoes. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the market vlog as it came. I could not continue. My phone even puts me in such a mood that I'm like, what kind of wala is this one? But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Just manage this one. You know, I've done already proper market vlog already. So you guys just manage this one as it comes. Bye, guys.